Warna emas.
Oh, betul.
Apa dia?
Itu dah lama.
I'm so grateful cause I can say that I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment a blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I receive what I return. I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment a blur, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I return. Yeah. Sometimes everybody gets caught wishing they had another life, had another mission. They gotta make that incredible decision to check along and service in life. Yeah, we all have to make the choice to rise above it. It might be hard, but grit your teeth and go and tough it out. Scream and shout to what your will beloved, cause this is our purpose in life. Yeah, so then I take a deep breath, step back, relax. I think about all the good times and laughs that I shared yesterday that I have today. I'm so grateful cause I can say that I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment of love, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I receive what I return. I remember what it was like to not know peace. Every waking moment of love, and I remember what it was like to not know love. But now I've returned.
Lambang suem, ada bilang sikat jak. Susah betul mau tegak, mula rasa terharu. Moga sultan mewah, rezeki serta sehat selalu. Moga kita semua sehat, aku harap suatu hari dalam surga. Bilang bang suem, ada bilang sikat jak. Susah betul mau tegak, mulaan lepas singa diberi. Ada siapa tidak senang mula dari hati. Tidak kira lawan besar atau kecil dia badi. Aku buka cerita, kisah sultan pemurah. Ramai tertanya.
Saya patah turun slow. Saya turun perlahan. Jadi saya tak boleh duduk belakang dia. Saya turun betul.
Masuk apa ni Syah dengan
Nanti lagi di atas.
Ha?
Okay.
Suka, kalau boleh, mama boleh, ketiau boleh, apa boleh. Kalau ni ya.
Ha.